Nourish Your Garden, a metaphor for personal growth. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and meaningful phrase, nourish your garden. While it might seem straightforward, this phrase holds a deeper significance, especially when applied to our lives and personal growth. Stay with us as we explore this metaphor and how it can inspire us to cultivate our own well-being. The phrase, nourish your garden, can be taken both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it refers to the act of caring for a garden, ensuring it receives all it needs to grow: water, sunlight, and nutrients. Metaphorically, it represents the idea of taking care of oneself, one's talents, relationships, and responsibilities. Just like a garden, our lives flourish with the right care and nourishment. In this section, we'll explore how personal growth is similar to gardening. To nourish your garden means to pay attention to various aspects of your life. Self-care, ensuring you are mentally, physically, and emotionally healthy. Talents and skills, continuously learning and improving. Relationships, cultivating positive and supportive connections with others. Responsibilities, managing and fulfilling your duties effectively. Each aspect requires different forms of nourishment, much like the diverse needs of plants in a garden. Here, we'll discuss practical steps to nourish your personal garden. 1. Self-care. Prioritize your health by eating well, exercising, and getting enough rest. 2. Learning and growth. Dedicate time to learn new things and hone your skills. This could mean reading, taking courses, or practicing a hobby. 3. Cultivating relationships. Spend quality time with loved ones, communicate openly, and be supportive. 4. Managing responsibilities. Organize your tasks, set goals, and take breaks to avoid burnout. By attending to each area, you ensure that your garden, your life, is vibrant and thriving. Nourish Your Garden is a powerful reminder that our personal and professional growth requires continuous care and attention. Just like a garden, our lives are a reflection of the care we put into them. We hope this video inspires you to take time to nurture every aspect of your life, leading to a more fulfilled and joyful existence. Thank you for watching, and remember to always nourish your garden.